The idiom, "the early bird catches the worm," emphasizes the benefits of starting early. It's a classic saying that highlights the value of initiative. Originating in the 17th century, this English proverb suggests that those who wake up early have an advantage, akin to a bird catching a worm for breakfast. One example of this idiom in use: she always starts her homework right after school because the early bird catches the worm. Another example: he secured the best deal at the flea market. As they say, the early bird catches the worm. In business, being first often means gaining a competitive edge. Launching the product early proved successful, showing that the early bird catches the worm. Similarly, arriving early at the sale got her the best items. Clearly, the early bird catches the worm. Even in daily chores, the idiom applies. He finishes his tasks before noon, knowing the early bird catches the worm. Overall, this idiom encourages preparation and diligence. It reminds us that early action can lead to better opportunities. In summary, the early bird catches the worm means taking initiative pays off. It's a timeless piece of advice for success in various endeavors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and informative content. See you next time.